Hello, good morning. What is question given here? A man can row a boat downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find his speed of rowing in still water. Also find the speed of stream. Okay. Firstly, you think that when question will given in downstream and upstream, that time you see I am telling you this is water, still water. Okay, this is still water. Okay, the streaming is coming. Okay, the streaming is coming. Streaming means that speed of stream. The speed of a stream is going this. Okay, suppose towards it is going to speed. Okay, downstream means when downstream, see here, this is streaming. Okay, this is streaming, this is speed, this is downstream. When the streaming is going to down, that time that speed will be increase or decrease. That time the speed will be increase. When that will be go after down, then when that will be go to up, that time this is upstream, this is downstream. When that will go to up, that time the speed will be less. When the speed will be down, that time the speed will be increase. When that will be go to upstream, that will be decrease. Okay, so this is the fundamental things. Okay, fundamental just to understand this. So that firstly when we will be know that is one boat is here. Okay, suppose this is a boat. Okay, here is one person is taking the boat. Okay, that boat is now moving. Okay, when boat will be moving, that time when boat will come here, that time it will come down. Down means that speed will be increase. When that boat will be go up, that time the speed will be decrease. Okay, so that now we will be take you see, let answer, let the speed of the boat, right? Okay, you also write with me. Let the speed of the boat, in still water, in still water, where is no any streaming. Okay, that is called still water. Okay, this is the still water. This is the still water where is no stream. Okay, still water, that is x kilometer per hour. Okay, understood? Okay, then and the speed of the stream and the speed of the stream be y kilometer per hour. That means in still water, that is s kilometer per hour, and the streaming, when the streaming will come, that time y kilometer per hour. Okay, you understood? Very well. Okay. Now will be comparison. What will we compare? Now relative speed boat in what? Now upstream. Okay. Relative speed of a boat in upstream. Upstream means x minus y. Why x minus y? Upstream means why x minus y? Because you see, if in still water is x and streaming is y, so that if the speed will be upstream means that speed will be decreased. The speed will be decreased. That reason we will be write x minus y. Okay. Y means stream. When the streaming will come, that time the speed will be decreased. Which speed is the flow of water, that speed will be decreased when that will be going up. Okay. So that you understood upstream means why it is x minus y. Then now we will write the speed of the boat in downstream. Downstream what will be? That is x plus y. Why x plus y? Now when the flow water and when that will go to down, down means that speed will be increased. Okay. So that x minus y, x plus y, now you understand how it will be upstream and downstream. You understood very well. X kilometer per hour, x plus y kilometer per hour. Okay, understood. You write properly this much, then will you go to another step. Okay. Then what is the question given? Now you read what is the question given. You see once again. A man can row a boat downstream 20 km in 2 hours. 20 km in 2 hours. Now I will write here case 1. Okay. Now I will write here case 1. Okay. 20. Okay. You already wrote the question. Okay. Now you see the question. Downstream 20 km in 2 hours means in 20 km in downstream in 20 km in 2 hours. If you will count this downstream, this type of, if you will count the downstream, that is 20 kilometers is gone, but that is taking 2 hours. Okay, so that you know 2 hours to 20 kilometers. 20 kilometers in 2 hours. Okay. How will we make the equation that? See, we know that speed is equal to distance by time. If you see properly this video, you will understand 100%. Okay, so that you see properly. I am taking a very simple step. Okay, for your better understand. You see, speed equal to distance by time. Now, and time equal to distance by speed. Distance by speed. Okay. So the here time is given 20. Now time is given 2 hours. And distance given 20 kilometer. Distance given 20 kilometer. How we can write? Now distance by speed. Distance means 20 kilometer by speed. Downstream means Downstream means what is given? Downstream means what is x plus y or x minus y? X plus y. 20 kilometer by x plus y is equal to 2. This is equation 1. Now we have done equation 1. Then we will be upon this equation. Okay. How will you write in the arithmetically? See, here 2 means 2 by 1. So that 20 into 1, 20, and 2 into x plus y. So that we will write here 2 whole into x plus y equal to 20. That implies 2x plus 2y is equal to 20. You write here equation 1. One equation complete. Then we will go to case 2. What is question given? Once again you read that question. Na? Upstream 4 kilometer in 2 hours. Upstream 2 kilometers in 4 hours. Same will you write upstream means x minus y. Upstream means x minus y. 20 kilometers upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. Okay, you will not write this, just I am writing for it better understand. Okay, x upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. How will you write? Because we know that this is time means 2 hours upstream. Okay, upstream and downstream. Okay, now upstream is 4 kilometer in 2 hours, so that we can write 4 by x minus y. Understood? This is speed, this is kilometer. Distance by speed equal to time. Distance by speed equal to time. I have written this same formula I put here. Then we will be upon this equation, that is 2 into xy, 2 whole into x minus y equal to 2 by 1 4. Okay, then write the equation 2x minus 2y equal to 4. Equation 2 is complete. Okay, now what will you do? Then what will you do? You see, then we will write two equation 2x. One equation is 2x plus 2y equal to 20. Second equation is 2x minus 2y is equal to 4. Now we will be solve this equation. You see here 2xy, 2y and 2y is same, so that you will write here add equation I and double I. When you will add, that time it will cancel. So the 2x and 2x, that is 4x equal to 20 plus 4, 24. That implies x is equal to 24 dividing 4 is equal to 6. If you get value of 6, then we will put this value in any equation. Now we will put this equation double I. Okay, no problem. Any equation you can put. Okay, double I. So 2 into 6. Okay, now I am putting here x value 2 into 6 minus 2y is equal to 4. That implies minus 2y equal to, here is 6 to the 12 and 4 minus 12. Okay, equal to minus 8. Okay, then one step you write here, minus 24 is equal to minus 8 minus 2y minus 2y is equal to minus 8. That implies minus minus cancel, y is equal to 8 by 2 equal to 4. Now we got x value is 6 and y value is 4. Now we can make the stream. Okay. Now we can find the streaming. What is the streaming? The speed x plus y and x minus y. X plus y is equal to 6. X value is 6. Y value is 4 is equal to 10. So that x plus y, what we have taken? Now downstream. So that downstream. What is downstream come? Now downstream is 10. Downstream speed is 10. And upstream is x minus y. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. And upstream is 2. Okay. Now we will be find. Okay. Now it is the question is given. What is the still water? Speed of boat in still water. What we have taken x? What we have taken x here? Still water x. So that x is what? 6 kilometer. So that we will write still water. Just I am writing here. You see. Hence still water. Still water 6 kilometer per hour, and speed of water 4 kilometer per hour. You understood? Okay, once again I am just showing you that question answer. You see properly and write your note also properly. Okay. Okay, already you have written. Okay, thank you. And if you are getting any doubts, okay, just to message me and you subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you.